Hi, good evening. My name is Radha Krishnan. Very basic information will take 2 3 minutes, but I'm very sure this 2 minutes of time that you spend, it might help you a lot and help us also a lot. First is the name of the company. I started working from 1919, around 20 plus years. I have been in the education industry. I started 3 years back a company by name Claps. So, what is the meaning of that? So, I believe whatever I'm trying to do, give has got certain value if you can see that. So my company is called as Claps, Klaps. What is the meaning of this? K stands for no. First, you got to know, which probably you know a lot of stuff. Then second, L stands for learn. The problem with all of us, or most of us, is that we know a lot and we learn a lot. For example, to give you a very simple basic example, all of you have taken exams. All of us have taken exams. I remember every exam I will study the previous night, the entire night. I will go next day in the morning, take an exam, make a promise. At least for the next exam, I'm going to study in advance and not going to study the entire night. So what I've known and learned is that I know that if you study in advance, you will be able to get better mark, you will do better stuff. But when exam comes, again I'll study the entire night, which means what? Whatever I know, whatever I learn, I am not putting that into practice, which means I am not applying that. So whenever you know and whatever you learn, if you're going to put that into practice, you're going to apply, you're going to make what we call progress. And when you make progress, success will come to you. So my job is ensure that anybody who comes and meets us probably would get success. Now, if you say the company looks great, name looks great, but can you suggest something? Can you say one important thing which can show that you're going to give value when I come and meet? So, one thing which I've learned today, which I want to share with you, something is that when are we very uncomfortable? Only when we are uncertain. So, one important thing that everybody should have is something called certainty. For example, what the first question you ask now? எப்ப coronavirus முடிய போகுது? When is this coronavirus going to end? We got to be certain. In case we have schools also, when is the school going to end? Anything which is known in advance, if we know the end point, suppose I have a pain and I know this pain is going to be there for 2 days or 3 days, I am okay because then after 3 days it will go out. I am comfortable. When you get up in the night, let's say 3 o'clock in the morning, it's spooky dark, but you are still comfortable because you know 5 o'clock the light is going to come. It's going to become a morning. Only when you have certainty, you're more comfortable. And to get a certainty, if you go back and see, today what happened is that certainty is that you get up in the morning, probably go there, and as far as life is concerned, it's not very certainty. But to have a certainty, you need to have something what I call structure. Now, what is the structure? For example, you have a timetable. For example, you go to the school. School has got a structure. So the morning they have a time when you have to get inside the school, then you have periods, and then you have a break, then you have periods, then you have lunch, then again break. So they have a structure. So only when you have a structure, you have a certainty, you have a great chance of getting a success. So in case if you come to us, I am very sure we can give you these two stuff. If these two are with you, then chances of you getting success is very, very high. Now, again, a lot of people say, let me finish my 12th and then I will come. For God's sake, heaven sakes, what I believe, 11th and 12th, I believe is a journey. Now, once you finish your 11th and 12th, that means your journey is already over. You have reached your destination. You can't change your destinations once you refinish your journey. Only when you have to change your destination, only when you change your journey, your destination will change. And what happens once you reach destination? For example, a lot of people say, let me look at my score. I can tell you the score now itself in case whatever score you got. I have analyzed some hundreds of students. You can go and check whatever mark you get in your 10. Let's say you get 60% mark in your 10. You go back and check your 11th and 12th, your mark will be somewhere in the range of 58 to 65%. Around 58 to 63 is what your mark will. Ask your father, brother, sister, mother. Anybody who has finished the 10th and 12th, go back and check. You will come back and say, no, sir, they are all, I am totally different from them. Even if I've got 50% my 10th standard, I am going to ensure I'm going to get 70%. This can only and only happen when you change the way you're studying. By putting extra hours of effort doesn't mean your mark is going to change. There's no logic saying that people who get more mark study more number of hours. There is only 24 hours in a day. So everybody, if you go back and check, everybody studies the more or same number of hours. I also eat the same number of food, same type of food. You may also eat some type of food. Somebody is acquired fat, somebody are healthy. So it's not about, what I'm trying to tell to you is that if you have to change your mark, you have to change the way you have to think. Second, if you have to wait, please don't wait for 11th and 12th, because you will reach your destination. Once you reach your destination, you can't change your journey. This is a time when you can change your journey. So if you come to me, two things I can do. One is, I said, we can give you what I call certainty and structure, which will give you a lot of comfort. Second, we can help you to get more mark by telling you ways you need to study so that your mark can improve. Two information is that why people don't come us. Everybody is more concerned about this. Everybody says, sir, what about this? How much will I lose? I always go back and say, whatever money have you spent till date, has anybody taken it without your consent? You have always spent money only when you see value. If you don't see value, why you spend? But I always believe money, there are two investment which are the best investment. You should spend the maximum because the value is the maximum. What are those two things? One is I call the books. So if you must spend money in books and read that, great value for the money. And second investment is your education. When you spend money on these two stuff, the value for money is very high. And people don't spend on any of this. They go back and give donations and they wait. They are still uncertain. Even after 12th standard, are you certain how much mark you're going to get? You don't know. Because even if you get, let's say, 80 mark in your 12th standard, 80 mark, let's say, in your 12th standard, if everybody gets 85, your hard work goes for a toss. So what I'm trying to tell you is that two things, if you come to me, certainty, structure, way of change of studies, so that it will give you. As I said, your money, please keep it safely with you. I am not looking for this. I am looking for giving you information. I started this company 3 years back, training students on what we call entrance examination called JEE, exam called NEET, which is medical entrance exam. Then what we found out, people are more looking for tuitions in physics, chemistry, mathematics, business, maths, accountancy. We started doing that. But when you come and meet us, I might suggest a lot of programs which I don't run at all over here. But these are something which can help you. I'm very sure, please come us. I believe this company is unique, and the phone number that I have is also quite different. It's unique. So my phone number is 96 40 86 76. People don't apply. They say, sir, let me write. If you just know and learn and apply, what is apply? 96 is Vijay Sethupath's new movie's name. So if you apply that 40 86 76, sir, fancy number. If you just apply, you will be able to remember. I believe the company name is unique, the phone number is unique, and I believe God has given me all this greatness, great name and great number. I believe I can also transfer some of this greatness if you come and meet us. So meet, as I said, please don't bring anything. We don't want this, you keep it yourself. If you see value, give. But I think at least learn something, become more certain, become more comfortable. I am very sure success will knock at your door. And this is a great opportunity which I say, please don't miss whatever this is the tools. They've got something called a 5 seconds rule. If your mind says I have to make a call, please make a call between morning, let's say 9 a.m. to 9 p.m. You can call anytime, you can WhatsApp me, and if you say I will do it tomorrow, your mind will play trick and say you keep on doing what you have been doing. So if you have to change, please meet us. We will ensure that you would at least make an effort in the right direction. Thank you for the time, and I hope to see you soon, or at least meet you or speak to you and help you in achieving your goal. Thank you. Radha Krishnan, claps 9600008676. Thank you.